Getting your business a great website can be a complex and confusing process. You can hire a professional website development company, but this can be very expensive. You could build it yourself, which will save you a ton of money, but this can be a painful and difficult process. Now, with the EZ-NetTools website launch package, you can have a professional website built by a knowledgeable and experienced company at a very affordable price. Starting at $59 a month, you will get a custom-designed website built on WordPress by our professional designers. With your site, you will receive many great features like Google Analytics, meta tags with keywords, hosting, online training, technical support, and much, much more. Depending on the package you select, we will provide updates every month and continue to offer training and support as you need it. If you plan to sell products on your site, you will want to select our e-commerce package. This will give you everything you need to start selling products online. Included in the monthly cost is e-commerce training and support to give you a little help when you need it. If your goal is to get more visibility on Google, you can add our basic SEO package. This package gives you an hour and a half of SEO work every month. We will create and optimize a Google My Business account for your business and post to it weekly. We will also work on citations to increase your website's online visibility. And you'll have access to our popular Easy Reviews app, making it easier for you to get customer reviews. Visit our website today or call 1-800-627-4780 to find out more about this great offer. Sign up now to the website launch package so EZ-NetTools can help launch your business to success.